In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can add vote on your Instagram posts. You can simply add polls as captions for your followers to vote in just few simple steps. To do this, head into your Instagram. Select any photo or video you would like people to vote for. Then click into the caption space just right here. You will see the poll option. Tap on it. Add any question you would like to ask your Instagram followers. Then press OK. You can tag, add paid partnerships, music, or location. Then share your post to your Instagram feed. The vote option will always appear for your followers to vote for what you asked them. You will see all votes and responses right here. That's how easy it is to add polls as captions for followers to vote on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.